Hi friends! Today I'm going to make soft clay imprints with leaves and shells. We'll go slow and have gentle fun. First, let's get our things ready. We need some soft, non-toxic clay, a few clean leaves, a few smooth shells, a flat table, a little cup of water. You can ask a grown-up to help. Let's warm up our hands. Squish the clay, press the clay, roll the clay into a ball. Good job! Press the ball down into a pancake. Pat, pat, pat. Time for a leaf. Place a leaf on the clay with the bumpy side down. Press gently with your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Peel the leaf up slowly. Wow! Do you see the tiny lines? That's the leaf's pattern. Let's try a shell. Put the shell on the clay. Press, press, press. Lift it up. Look at the little ridges. So pretty. Make a path of leaves. Press a big leaf. Press a small leaf. Big, small, big, small. Patterns are fun. Want to make a treasure coin? Roll a small clay circle. Press a shell in the middle. Tap a tiny dot border with a pencil eraser. Lift the shell. Shiny treasure. Smooth the edges with a wet fingertip. Just a little water makes it neat. Take photos and videos for ideas using pexels.com clips. Close-up leaves, beach shells, soft clay textures. Choose royalty-free music or keep it quiet. Hold your clay up. Take a deep breath. You made nature art. Great work, friend. Bye-bye for now. See you next time for more gentle making.